put this at about 20% power to give you an idea what it's like to 20% power on the UTV. This is a little under 200 horsepower, and total horsepower rating is motor actually equal over 600. But we're gonna hold it in the end of safety and we'll take care of it here. Hope you guys enjoy how this is.
So that's about 0 to 60 in about 5 seconds on a 200 horsepower, and when you get up to over 500 horsepower, it's under 3 seconds, about 2.5 seconds, 3 seconds. So that's faster than even any of the gasoline versions out there come stock. And that just gives you an idea what it's like just on this is a mule version. On the full production version, it's a lot different. You guys can come around and look at it, just turn it off, and then I can answer any questions you guys have about it too.